It's flower power. That's the challenge for us this Girl Power Tuesday. We're guessing a few flowers.
You know, so we don't need...
see my face because I really only know what maca look like, you know.
We don't need 4 minutes for this footy call. We don't gonna do it. But give us a... we're gonna try. None of us are green thumbists, horticulturalists or so, but we're gonna give it our best shot.
Yeah.
Hibiscus.
Yay!
No, wait, let me tell you. Wait, no, my dad used to buy this every Saturday.
I'm gonna say yeah.
Wait, no, man. Don't tell me.
Anthurium.
Anthurium.
I never guessed it. It was on the top of the page of the something.
Where was it?
No, after you guessed it, hibiscus was wrong, then put it up at the top. That's why I say it, but I never really know what it is.
This is a pretty yellow flowers. I'm gonna call
it.
What
the flowers are name?
Pretty yellow flowers, which is not really
Are these Jamaican? First of all, are these Jamaican flowers? I just want to ask. The anthurium was, and this one is too. Is this a bellflower?
Why we couldn't phone a friend?
It's not a bellflower.
A friend who knows flowers. Oh, this is a daffodil?
It's a daffodil. This is not culturally relevant to me, so I didn't know what that was.
I know what this is.
What is it, Simo?
I don't remember.
Dragon something.
No.
She want the flowers name, or she want with Jamaican people.
Dragonoceus maximus.
Bird of paradise. Dragon, same thing?
Noceus maximus.
Yeah, come on, Kadeen. What are we going for? The right name, or are we going for the... Well, they look like roses, but I know I'm not roses.
It's not rose.
No, they're shaped like them, though. Rosacea Anturia.
Canaminus.
What Kadeen? Oh.
Why Footy, why you choose this fun stuff? Oh, this is a carnation.
Well, carnation shaped in different ways. I first never see that.
And don't they have different colors too?
Yeah, carnations usually. Which one are we guessing? The purple thing, or the?
I know what this is.
This whole thing is all over Jamaica.
And the petals come up. I know
it come up you when at exam time. Oh, that's a pui. Well, that's something. Bougainvillea. Picture too close, man. Yeah.
There are a lot of Jamaicans looking at us right now going, really?
No, because it's too croton.
This, oh gosh, it's a croton. It's a Leroy Smart. Leroy Smart. Every video that Leroy Smart has, he bend down the windows like this.
Show me the things them when me know.
Leroy Smart. Leroy Smart flowers and Eddie Fitzroy.
What else? Well, them something name and them blow so. When you're in a romance film and them was so. And then blow. Yeah, and then white and then.
No.
Yes!
Oh, cherry blossom.
I don't know.
I wouldn't even try.
Any macaw come?
Oh,
this is hibiscus then now.
You could have given me a chance to say it though. But it's okay.
That looks like a carnation actually. It might not be. Is that a dahlia?
It looks like a...
It's a dahlia!
Oh, you only know Chubas, that's all your names. Please for a Simone.
What is your name again?
Them simple to
yes, Landia, it have a name.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, and they're everywhere in Jamaica, you know. Oh my God. Let me tell you, my uncle know maca. If you show me a maca tree, I can't tell you that's a maca. Aubrey, what is
this? Name? Ixora?
Nobody in Jamaica call it Ixora.
Wait, no footy?
Footy, but isn't this...
No, it's a carnation.
It looks like a carnation to me.
It's not a sunflower. That's not a sunflower. Sunflower is dark up deep in the middle. Oh, it's a chrysanthemum.
Why next name?
That's a daisy.
She never trusts me, so she put up the name early.
Oh, yes, it is the Christmas flowers. What's the name again?
Oh, my gosh.
Poinsettias red, blood red in warm December.
No.
Me see Josephine there.
Make up your mind now.
Me see no Josephine in the picture.
Make up your mind now, Footy. If we're using the technical name.
Also, didn't Joseph's coat have many? That's the poinsettia.
That's the poinsettia.
All right. So what was the one before?
Well, Landia said it just said.
But Joseph's coat has many colors, and that did not. This is a pretty purple.
This is a...
It's not a violet.
Purple heart.
Really?
I want to say that fun stop was
fun.
Culturally deficient.
And I would like to ask the judges for twos.
It was culturally deficient.
Which I've never heard of an Ixora in my life.
Culturally
and
deficient.
Joseph's coat, because the Bible said Joseph's coat had many colors. That was only green and yellow.
I did not see any maca, and maca is everywhere.
No poison ivy
in this country.
No coach. Just say.
Oh, you mean maca is
news
not a
is
flowers?
next. We'll be right back.
Why maca is not a flowers, Aubrey?